What's the meaning of coq au vin? Coq au vin. Coq au vin.
Coq au vin. Coq au vin. Coq au vin is a delicious French dish that translates to rooster with wine. This classic recipe involves cooking a rooster in red wine with bacon, mushrooms, onions, and garlic, resulting in a rich and flavorful stew. The wine marinade tenderizes the meat while infusing it with complex flavors. The bacon adds smokiness, while the mushrooms and onions provide earthy notes. Coq au vin is typically served over mashed potatoes or with crusty bread, making it a perfect comfort food dish for cold weather. Overall, coq au vin is a hearty and satisfying meal that is sure to impress your dinner guests.